Tangara. And one thing I found out, but I don't know if it's official, I don't think so, it wasn't on the Sydney Trains website or anything like that, but one thing I found out was that that they were installing alarm systems on the gangway doors, on the knobs. Like the emergency release knobs on the gangway doors. You know, where you only use them during an emergency. Well, as people use them incorrectly, apparently I read on some site that they're installing alarm systems on them, so in case some idiot turns that knob when the doors are working fine, in other words no emergency, an alarm will sound and it'll notify crews. So that's what I was going to vlog about here. So anyway, I'll wrap up the vlog. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and cheers.